Oh, hey guys. Yeah, I'm back. And finally some time to upload, so I'm not going to mess it up this time. If you guys didn't notice, well, the hair is way too long. I'm getting it cut soon, don't worry. But it's been about a month and a half, I'm guessing. I haven't even checked. But that was just kind of like, I took a little break. So now I'm going to try to be back uploading at least once a week. And I think it's probably possible because I did it for a while, and that's why I was growing so much faster. And now I just slowed down. So if I want to go faster again, I'm going to try to upload at least once a week. And with some of those uploads, I will even give you guys the chance to participate. How do you do that, you ask? Well, the first thing you gotta do is go down in the description, click the link, and join the official Peaked Discord server. This is pretty much my new Discord server, and it's gonna be the place where all of you guys who watch me can talk about pretty much whatever you want, all in one spot, which I think is pretty awesome. But anyways, back to kind of participating in my videos. So what I mean by that is I will be reacting to some of you guys' setups, and the only way to know if it's time to submit your setup to me or not is if you join my Discord server, because you do get a little bit of inside knowledge about the videos that are coming. And one of those videos I have planned is reacting to you guys' setups. So on the Discord server, I'll basically just tell you guys how to do that, and then you can do it and I will react to them in a video. So definitely after this video, I would recommend going in the description and joining the Discord server. I bet some of you guys have some pretty awesome setups, and I'm really excited to react to them. So that's pretty much my Discord ad again. And now we're actually going to get on to the main point of the video. But also, guys, a big thanks to all of you who have joined my Discord server, especially the ones that joined pretty much right away. So for the title of this video, I'm kind of thinking maybe building the PC of my dreams or building my dream gaming PC or something like that. Let me just give you a little bit of background knowledge about how this mini series is going to go and why I'm titling this video that, because clearly you can probably see I'm not building a PC this video. So basically how this all started was my uncle, yes, the one that sent me the camera gear, is now looking for a PC. However, he doesn't really know which parts to pick and maybe doesn't have the time to build one himself. Luckily, his nephew has a little tech YouTube channel and definitely wouldn't mind building him a PC. So of course, I'm going to build him the PC and easily get a few videos out of it, because something like this doesn't happen that often. So the PC, his budget is around $2,000, which is a really good PC, so obviously I'm really excited for that. So pretty much this video is part one, where I won't actually build the PC, but I will pick the parts on PC Part Picker, and then we can kind of get an idea of what the PC will look like, and I can consult with him after about maybe changing some parts, or maybe if he actually likes my build, then we can just use that PC. We will then try to order all the parts. Hopefully they're all in stock, RTX 3080, and then they will ship to my house, and I will build him the PC, and then he will come down later and come and get it. But yeah, I'm pretty much just really hoping the RTX 30 can be in stock so we can get one, because that would be an insane performance boost from a $700 second gen Nvidia card. So that's probably enough talking about the PC, and I think we can get into the PC part picker list now. However, before that, I just want to tell you guys that all the parts picked in this video will be linked in the description down below, and those are Amazon affiliate links. Just want to be full transparency there. I'm not trying to like cheat any of you guys to get money. I think you can pretty much all tell, it's in my description as well, that they are paid links, so I just wanted to let you know. But anyway, let's get into the PC part picker list. Pick a $2,000 PC. So guys, let's get to making the PC part picker list. Also, I'm filming this part before the intro and the outro, so hopefully that transition looked okay. First thing I'm gonna do, just so you can see my face a little bit more. All right, I think we're good to go. I haven't made a video in a lot over a month, if you haven't noticed. So hopefully I'm still good at it. But the first thing I'm gonna do is just zoom in like twice, because I know a few of you guys, like last PC part picker videos, said that it was kind of hard to see, and that's because I have an ultra wide monitor, so everything is a lot smaller. Hopefully zooming in will make it a little better. Also, I don't know if you noticed, but like the lighting might look a little different. Maybe it's a little warmer or something. That's because I tried a little bit harder, so hopefully that looks okay as well. So we're just gonna hop right in, because what else are you gonna do? So we're gonna start with the CPU, and this is a $2,000 budget. There's a lot of CPUs we could go with. I mean, obviously with Ryzen 5th gen just announced, we're not gonna go with it because it's a little bit more expensive. I know it will provide a lot more performance, but it'll probably be like the RTX, the new RTX cards, where there's not really gonna be any you can actually buy for like probably another 6 months or at least a few months. So they're not even coming out till November 5th, and hopefully the PC can be like ordered by that time. So I think I'm gonna go with the Ryzen 7 3700X. Looks like it is a little bit expensive right now at $320. Usually I've seen it for like $270, $280. So we're gonna add it anyway, but if we have enough money, I'm thinking of going with the 3900X, because it is really good with 12 cores and 24 threads. So that's definitely an option, but it is only $100 more actually. So if we have enough money, definitely we're going with that. CPU cooler. Because we have $2,000 to work with, I think I'm actually going to go with a water cooler. I know this isn't my PC, and I'm not trying to pick the PC I would want, but like in a $2,000 budget, you kind of almost have to go with a water cooler. So we're definitely going to add, I don't know if I want NZXT or Corsair. That's the thing though. So I'm going to select them, see which ones look a little bit better. Just looking at these, I mean, they seem pretty similar. I mean, the prices look pretty good. It looks like the NZXT might be a little cheaper, but that's because the Corsair ones come with the super nice LL120 fans, which look amazing. So with NZXT you don't get that, but in my opinion you get a better looking water block. So it's kind of like a trade-off, and I just don't know which one to pick. I mean, I'm kind of thinking Corsair because I kind of want to add some of the new QL 120 fans, because the case I'm thinking you need a lot of fans. I mean, I guess this is a good option because the case I'm thinking is the Lian Li PC11 Dynamic, which has a lot of support for 360mm rads. So with a 240 or 280, I just don't think that would look that good because there'd be a little bit of empty space, and it's a little bit of OCD. So anyway, we're gonna go with a motherboard, and we're actually gonna see if we can get B550 because it's newer than X570, and X570 just might be a little bit too expensive, but I don't know much about motherboards, so we'll see what I can find. All right, honestly, I'm looking at the Gigabyte B550 boards. We have the Aorus Elite. So here it is. This is the B550 Aorus Pro AC, which is $179. Yeah, I'm gonna add it. I mean, we can always go back later, but I think, we're a little high right now on budget, but we'll see what we can do. We'll pick some memory. You will be video editing, so I'm kind of thinking 32 gigs of RAM. I mean, if it's really like, if the extra $30 for 3600 speed is really that much of an issue, then I'll just go with the 3200 speed kit, because that was like $30 less. I don't know why. But we're just going to choose storage next, just because I pretty much know what I want. I mean, I'll just add this right away. But we're also going to add a 1 terabyte, I'm thinking, 1 terabyte SSD, because we have the budget for it. He's going to be installing some like video editing softwares, and he's going to use this PC for his golf simulator as well, so there might be some software, or there will be some software he needs to download for that. So if he wants that to open up really fast, put it on the SSD, and it's probably pretty large. So we're going to look for, I want to go with the Team GX2. So there it is, the Team GX2 1 terabyte SSD for $80. And actually, I just need to make sure this has a DRAM cache. I don't know if this is the Vulkan SSD. I mean, it was answered by Team Group, so I feel like they'd be talking about this one. We're just gonna say it does have a DRAM cache. I think I've looked before, and I think it does. So we're gonna stick with this. That's a really good deal. Yeah, for the video card, I don't think there's gonna be any prices on the 3080s, so I might just need to make a custom part. I guess I'll just call it $700. That's what the Founders Edition is. All right, we're doing okay for budget. We have 1653, and we only have 2 more parts. Well, I'm gonna pick some fans, but we only have 2 more parts that we really need to pick, and we can definitely probably get it within $200 maybe. I don't know why the Lian Li PC11 Dynamic is so expensive right now, but that's what I was gonna pick. Yeah, it doesn't look like there's a cheaper one. Yeah, I'm just gonna add the PC11 Dynamic. I think at a $2,000 PC, you gotta include some aesthetics in there. And we're gonna move on to the power supply. However, if that case is a big problem, like if it's too expensive, then obviously I'm gonna go with a cheaper, better bang for the buck than the PC11 Dynamic. But for now, I kind of want to keep that one. And then for power supplies, this is going to be hard because, again, you guys probably all know, it's really hard to find power supplies right now for cheap, or maybe even in stock, because a lot of them, I don't know why, but there was a shortage in parts or something, so they've all just gone way up in price. You can see it's like $124 for a 750 watt 80 plus gold. So, I mean, it is Corsair, so it's a little expensive, but that should be about 100 or less. This might be a little hard to find like a good bang for the buck power supply, but we're going to try. I'm just going to sort by price. Obviously, I don't think we should go with any of these power supplies up here. Maybe the NZXT-C. I have never, ever really seen anyone use an NZXT power supply unless it was like for a full NZXT build. I know they have a few of those on YouTube, but I mean, I guess it works. It's 850 watts, 80 plus gold, fully modular too. That's pretty nice. We could get completely custom cables from Cable Mod or something like that. And yeah, okay, with that, 1933. That's a little bit too expensive, I would say. We did a terrible job keeping these 2 parts at $200. We might have to switch some things out here. So this is like a pretty good $2,000 PC. I just kind of want to add some fans. However, if I did that, it would make the PC a lot more expensive. Yeah, I'm not quite sure what to do here, so I guess I'll be back in a second when I try to figure this out. So, I mean, obviously, my uncle probably doesn't really care about all the colors in his PC, so we could even get rid of the RGB memory, but what I'm thinking is we could actually choose some memory that is maybe a little cheaper, even if it's a little worse. So it looks like the first RGB memory I've even seen is the Team T-Force Delta RGB, which is the same RAM I have in my PC, and I think it looks pretty good and it definitely works. I guess I'll add that. That brings down like $25 or so. So I mean, we could try and maybe get a little bit of a cheaper B550 motherboard, because that's still $180. So I'm going to check to see if the Aorus Elite Wi-Fi, the B550 Aorus Elite Wi-Fi, is a little cheaper, and if it is, we might end up going with that. Is there no Aorus Elite Wi-Fi? I guess there's no Aorus Elite Wi-Fi. So it looks like it is a thing. It just doesn't want to show up here. I mean, honestly, I think I'm just probably going to stick with the B550 Aorus Pro AC for now, because it'll kind of save him from buying a Wi-Fi card or a Wi-Fi adapter. But I think this is a good choice for now. I guess for now, I'll just pick some, we'll go with some fans, case fans. So it looks like the LL120s are $100 and the QL120s are $140. So they're pretty much the same thing, just the QLs, if you don't know, are the new release. So they look a little different just on the frame. The RGB is pretty much the same though, but they're also kind of like two-way. So the RGB kind of shines on both sides. Instead of the LLs where it's pretty much one side, so you can't really flip them and have them still look really good. But we'll add them anyway. That's gonna blow through $99 very, very quickly. Fans are something you can easily go back down the line, maybe a few months, maybe a year, maybe a few years, and get some more. That's definitely an option. So I think that's probably what I'm gonna end up doing here, and I'm gonna actually call this a complete list. So it's $2,003. You can see I was $4 off the $2,000 budget, but I think that's okay. Definitely made a really good PC, and I'm really happy with this. So hopefully everything turns out okay. Hopefully we get an RTX 3080. Hopefully the PC actually works. Hopefully all the parts get sent to me at the correct time. Hopefully there's no like shipping malfunctions or anything. I mean, there probably will be, but anyway, I think this is a pretty good PC, and I think it's probably time to roll the outro. So yeah, I'll see you after this sick transition. So guys, that's it for the parts. Hopefully you guys all enjoyed. If you guys did enjoy, a sub and a like would be massively appreciated. I kind of got a little bit off pace on that 3,000 subscribers by the end of the year, but I think I'm going to start uploading now, so hopefully my channel can start going up again. If you guys do have anything you want to tell me, just comment it down below or join the Discord, because I do also talk on the Discord, and everyone else talks on the Discord too, so you can get replies from everyone else. But as I was saying, I do respond to every comment. I have a little bit of catching up to do right now. But anyway, guys, obviously don't have to join the Discord server, and that's going to wrap it up for this video. So with that, I'll catch you in the next one.